Number 2, estimate the percentage of patients who will wait less than 2 hours, 53 minutes. Well, first thing I'm wondering is 2 hours, 53 minutes. How many minutes is that altogether? Well, I know 2 hours, I can do 2 times 60 and get 120 minutes plus the 53 minutes, and that'll be 173 minutes. Aha! Now I know that I'm looking here at the 173 minutes. And I said who will wait less than that amount of time, so I'm looking at all these people up to here and all of these people over here. Okay, so how many people do we have all together? The first thing I'm thinking about is that if I cover up, if I'm thinking about this chunk of my distribution, how much is it? How much is that chunk right there? That entire chunk is 50% or half of my distribution. Remember, it's symmetric about that mean. So if I fold it right on the mean, I have half of my data on the left, half of my data on the right. And so since I'm looking at half of my data, I can put that down here. I know this is half of my data, so 50%. And then I just have to figure out what is this little extra chunk because it's added on, whatever it is. Let's go back to our distributions. And we already calculated it and we wrote it down right here that 34% of our data is between the mean and 1 standard deviation above the mean. Coming back to my picture here, that means this chunk here is about 34%. And so if I have 50% over here and another 34 over here, when I put them all together, I'll do 50 plus 34 because I need both of those chunks. I get 84%. So approximately 84% will wait less than 2 hours and 53 minutes.